Tired of manually adding leads to Aisensy and watching valuable opportunities slip through the cracks? Let's automate that. First, you need a lead capture tool. This could be a form on your website, a landing page builder like Lead Pages, or even a survey platform such as Typeform. Choose the platform you are most familiar with. Now, design your lead capture mechanism. Ensure you're collecting the essential information, such as name, email address, and phone number, which are crucial for Aisensy. Next, we will use a tool like Zapier, Make, formerly Integromat, or Pabbly Connect to bridge the gap between your lead capture tool and Aisensy. Within your chosen automation platform, create a new workflow, often called a zap or scenario. Set the trigger to be a new submission on your lead capture form or the successful completion of a survey. Now, define the action. Select Aisensy as the destination app. You'll likely need to connect your Aisensy account using your API key or login credentials. Follow the instructions on screen to authenticate your account. Map the fields from your lead capture form to the corresponding fields in Aisensy. For example, map the name field from your form to the name field in Aisensy. Ensure all essential fields are accurately mapped. Test your automation. Most platforms offer a test feature. Submit a test lead through your form and confirm that it appears correctly in your Aisensy contact list. Troubleshoot any errors during this phase. Finally, activate your automation. Once you've confirmed everything is working smoothly, turn on your zap or scenario. From now on, every new lead will be automatically added to Aisensy, saving you time and ensuring no lead is ever missed.